Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Pulse. So in today's video we will learn that how can we make a bootable drive, flash drive, USB of Windows 11. So for this purpose you guys will need a USB flash drive which should be at least 8 GB. Above is fine but it should be at least 8 GB. So yes, let's start the video. Um, just open a browser and write here Windows 11 download. After that, click on this first Windows 11 download. This page will appear, and from here you guys have to select the third option, download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. We'll use this option. Select Windows 11 multi edition ISO and just confirm it. Now select the product language, whichever language you want to install your Windows 11. I will select English International. You guys can select your language and click on confirm. After that, we have a valid link now, which will remain for 24 hours. You can download Windows 11 image from here, 64-bit download. And yes, click on it. Now our Windows 11 image is downloading. And so guys, our Windows 11 image is now downloaded. Just let's go to our downloads. Click on downloads and here you can see our Windows 11 English International image is downloaded. So the next step now we need to do is, now we will again go in the search bar and write here Rufus download. Click on this. Rufus is a tool basically which will help us in making our bootable USB. So yes, here it is, latest releases. We will download the standard one. Click on it and just let it download. It is now downloaded. Open the folder and just install it. Well, I will select no. You can select yes too. So guys, Rufus is now open. First option here, device. Select the USB drive here, which you are using to make the bootable drive. I am using a 16 GB flash drive. Here, select in the boot selection, select the Windows 11 image which we just downloaded, and after that, from the partitioning scheme, select GPT. It is an advanced partitioning scheme which is now used in today's modern laptops. So just select the GPT here. MBR is an older partitioning scheme which we no longer use in the modern devices. So yeah, keep these settings as it is, and yeah, also keep these settings as it is. You can edit this volume label if you want to give it another name. I will keep all these as it is and click on start. Here you can see that it is saying that you can customize your Windows installation. Basically, you can set some predefined stuff for your Windows installation if you want. I will advise you that keep this first option checked, remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM secure boot and TPM 2.0. It will be helpful for you. Second, keep also this second box checked to remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. It will also be helpful to you. It does not mean that you will not be able to select an online Microsoft account. You can select it, but it would not be a requirement anymore. Also, if you want to install your Windows with already a account created, you can select it from here. Just click on it and write the name of your user account, but I would not be using it for now. You can use it, and you can see all these other options too. You can select it according to your requirement, but I would not be using these. And let's just click on OK and click on OK. And now our bootable drive is in the making. It would take some time. It could take around 15 to 20 minutes, maybe more. So just let it complete. Okay, so as you guys can see now that our bootable USB is now formed. We have made our bootable USB of Windows 11. It is completed, status ready. So this was pretty much it for tutorial on how to make a bootable USB of Windows 11. But before ending the video, I would like to tell you guys uh, a basic difference, a small differentiate between the partition scheme GPT and MBR, just for your knowledge. If you want, you guys can skip this part of the video, but if you want to know the difference, the basic difference, then please watch it. So difference between MBR and GPT. So these both are partitioning schemes. MBR stands for master boot record and GPT stands for GUID partition table. So basically there are two boot modes in a computer. One is legacy BIOS and one is UEFI BIOS. You can see which boot mode your PC is working on by going into the BIOS setting of your PC, and there move down to, I think, BIOS options, and there you boot options, and there you can find that whether your PC is running on legacy BIOS or UEFI BIOS. So basically this legacy BIOS, MBR, master boot record partitioning scheme, these were present in older laptops, in older machines. These are also present in newer laptops too, but the laptops use GPT UEFI mode by default. So the basic difference between them is that the disk size in the legacy BIOS is limited up to 2 TB. You cannot put a disk which is more than 2 TB, like you cannot put a 4 TB disk in a system with MBR partitioning scheme, and similarly UEFI supports more than 2 TB. Partitions you can only make, this is the main advantage of a GPT, that you can make up to 128 partitions of a hard drive in GPT using UEFI boot mode, but in MBR there is only 4 partitions. And now this thing, this Windows 11 does not natively support by legacy BIOS, MBR, master boot record. It does not by default support it. By default GPT UEFI partitioning is UEFI boot mode is required and recommended for Windows 11. That does not mean that you cannot install Windows 11 on MBR in legacy boot mode. There are ways, but those are not the official ways. You have to bypass some checks in order to do that, because Windows 11 use secure boot and TPM by default, and both of those are features of UEFI. So in short of all these discussion, the thing which I want to tell you is that whenever possible you should use UEFI boot mode, and you can change this whether you want to use legacy BIOS or UEFI by going into the BIOS setting. In boot options it will be there that which boot mode you are using. So you should use UEFI because it is more advanced and it is used on modern computers. So yes, this was pretty much it for the difference between MBR GPT. So anyhow guys, I hope you liked this video and you gained some beneficial knowledge from this video. And if you guys found these videos which I make useful, then please do like these videos and subscribe to the channel. It will be a great help. And the softwares which we downloaded, I think only one software we downloaded, Rufus, in this video, so I will leave its link down in the description. So I hope you guys understood everything which we did in this video. And at any point if there is any confusion, you can ask that in the comment sections. I will try my best to reply those queries. And well guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.